another video. You're watching Phones on Dot. Today with me, guys, man. Today we are going to talk about iPhone XR. Yes, आज हम बात करने वाले हैं Apple की iPhone XR. Yes, talking about this variant, we can say this was a good variant out here. Terribly incredible variant out here, or we can say a good version out there back then. And today we can talk about this and see where it is available at a very affordable rates too. Talking about this variant, talking about iPhone XR, we can say it has an aluminum framework along with glass front and glass back. So protection काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी कही जा सकती है इसमें. It also had IP67 resistance capacity to dust and water itself, and was available out there in variant colors. Like 6 colors were variant available about this phone. Or we can say very vibrant colors, vibrant 6 colors. We can say anything else you would like to say. These amazing colors out there. Apart from that, it has a screen size of 6.1 inches. Yes, the screen size for this variant was 6.1 inches, and you cannot deny that it was a good version out there while we were using in hands, or while we were playing on this game, or we were watching a movie. So because the screen size was really good out there. Talking about this variant, we can say it has got really amazing LCD capacitive screening and liquid retina capacitive screening out there. But when we talk about this variant, we cannot neglect the iOS used in it. Yes, it has been operating on iOS 12 as well as Apple 12 Balcon chip system. So these two were a good variant out there. These two were really a good variant, a good version out there. Together, they found a great version. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, the camera quality was really a good version out there. Single selfie camera and single rear camera could be seen on this variant. When we talk about this variant, we can say single tha, but still a good version, because 12 megapixel and good capturing exposure quality of this variant was a incredible job done out by Apple. Having a quad LED flash light and giving a great video quality was definitely a wonderful version out there. Whereas if we talk about this variant, if we talk about XR, then we can say that the memory was really in different variants. Like you have 64 GB, you have 128 GB, you have 256 GB, like three variants available, which were not seen in the earlier models right now. Talking about this variant, we can say 3 GB RAM is a good version, and connectivity can be said as a wonderful version out there. Connectivity was really good variant, could be considered as a plus point. Approximately 3000 mAh battery, approximately, because exactly it was 2942 mAh battery. So approximately 3000 mAh battery could be considered as a okay variant. Not a very good variant, but a okay variant. Reason being, Apple requires a lot of capacity, lot of usage. It uses a lot of battery. So battery need to be that much good that it really works well. When we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant has got really great advantages over that. Talking about this variant, we can say that it has a quick charging. It offers a quick charging out there. The charger supplies of 5 volt super fast charging to this. So this was really a good version. Saying everything good about this, what are the major drawbacks? This has very minor drawbacks which can be neglected by the users who really feel like they can neglect these things. Like the weight was slightly heavier out there. The jack, if we talk about the jack, there was no 3.5 jack out there. So the earpods which were used by this, they were different out there. Earpods were different. So there were very minor things which can be neglected out there. So definitely not a major ones out there, you can say. Now talking about this good variant, this variant, so it should be pocketable rates, should be very pocketable. So we have got a site for you which offers a great pricing and great response to this variant. So uske liye aapko karna kuch nahi, you have to just go on Google and type phoneson.ae. So this is the site I was talking about. The site name is phoneson.ae. This site offers you great pricing, great variety, great range of devices out here. Like we were talking about the devices, we can say that this category, all mobile phones, offers you n number of brands, n number of categories, n number of gadgets out there for various brands. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out here, then we have a search icon. The search icon helps you to log in and search your favorite models. Like I am searching for iPhone XR. So the result is already out. So we can see this is the result of iPhone XR now. We can see there are a number of variants out there in different colors: coral, white, red, blue, black, 64 GB, 128 GB. All the variants are available. And in these variants, there is a condition written refurbished condition. Yes, the condition is written refurbished condition out there. And we can also see that we have another variant in XR condition here itself, which have brand new condition out there. मतलब कहीं कहीं पे brand new भी लिखा है. So there are two kind of variants, brand new and refurbished. Now talking about the brand new one, there is a condition written Apple iPhone XR with FaceTime. And the another variant is written Apple iPhone XR. Yes, मतलब दो तरह के variants हैं. So a variant which has written with FaceTime offers you Face ID, whereas there is not written with FaceTime offers you not Face ID. Yes, मतलब कह सकते हैं कि if a model is written like Apple iPhone and then the model name and with Face ID, then you have the Face ID also. FaceTime ke Face ID is there. Where we have not mentioned about the FaceTime, then we can say that these variants do not have Face ID. So you can definitely check out in the description box and see what kind of variants are they. Now let us talk about back to this variants out there and see the refurbished products and the brand new products and see what are the major differences between these two. But पहले इन दोनों के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. Let us talk and know what are the major differences for the brand new and refurbished products. Talking about refurbished products and comparing it with the brand new products, we can say that these two products do not differ in the parameters or do not differ in the structurality, functionalities. They are absolutely same. Yes, if we talk about these kind of products, like if we talk about refurbished products and compare it to the brand new products. Now let us talk about the word itself. Let us talk about the refurbished word first, and then we'll talk about the brand new. Word की बात करें, the word itself declares or states that refurbished means creating something new like. Yes, creating something new like. Whereas brand new means absolutely untouched, absolutely brand new that has been directly came or directly upgraded or directly released from the company itself. Whereas refurbished is something which has been once used, once has been pre-owned, and is now again being testified, testimoniality is given to that so that it can be reused by another user. This is the major difference out there. We can also say that these refurbished products are usually pre-owned. They are much good quality, or they are actually of good quality as compared to brand new. They are absolutely the same things out there. When we talk about these variants, we can say there is a similarity. There is something very common out there, that is the parameters or the structurality or the test certificates. Anything you would like to say, मतलब जो भी टेस्ट आप कहना चाहते हैं, जो स्पेसिफिकेशंस कहना चाहते हैं, everything is the same. If we talk about its display, its battery life, its camera quality, if we talk about its audio quality, video quality, sim recognition, its colorization, its connectivities, its button intactness, or the colorization in it, or the external color out there. If we talk about anything else, anything if we talk about, they are absolutely the same. Whatever brand new products have in them, the same quality, same things are in the refurbished also. क्योंकि वो अलग नहीं होते, we won't say that they are different. They are absolutely same. One product is classified as brand new when it is just released in the market from the company. After a certain span of time, we can say that that product becomes slightly old, and then the user do not use it or don't want to use it anymore. So that is given to an agency, and that is verified and considered as a refurbished product. So talking about refurbished products, talking about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished products are actually absolutely same. The parameters which involve, which we have already discussed about. Apart from that, you get a quality check. Yes, the quality check is being given to the product so that no specification is left or untouched before releasing into the site or launching it for the users. Not relaunching, we would say recreating it again or making it a good version, because good quality means good service, which are the building blocks of every site out there, every gadget out there. Because we always invest in good things out there, so we need to check the quality also. Now, talking about the quality and everything out there, let us talk about what are the advantages of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. There are few advantages, because we already know that brand new is something very exciting, brand new is brand new, and refurbished is something which we are creating like a brand new product. So now, talking about the advantages, the first advantage which comes to our mind is the savings. Why we are doing savings? We all love savings, we all love to do savings out there, and if we get our favorite gadget in a pocketable rates, in a lesser pricing, or we can say a some price which is not very high for our pocket, so that could save up to around 15 to 17%. Is that definitely saves about a good quality of money. And apart from that, we can say that the brand new products are quite highly expensive for us. Yes, when the when company launches these products out there, they are we can say exceptionally, they are quite expensive out there, or we can say they are not usually in our pockets. So definitely they are expensive, and to save up to around 15% or have a saving for these products gives a joy, a tremendous joy to us. So that is one thing which we all want. We all want to save some money out there. So with this, we come to the second point, which is pocketable rates. Since brand new are highly expensive, so the refurbished products are quite pocketable out there. Yes, these do not cost our pocket much, so they are quite pocketable out here. They are very pocketable out here. Apart from that, you also get to see that there is 6 months warranty period. Yes, warranty is absolutely needed out here. What happens is, when you are owning any phone out there, when you own any phone, you search for the warranty period, because this is one thing which we all want. If we don't have a warranty, we don't know whether we will be able to use it in a better way or not, whether if any damage is done with in that period, it can be considered as a new thing or not. We need a warranty period out there. So brand new products, whereas offer you just a 1 year warranty, yes, they offer you 1 year warranty, whereas refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty, which is really a good thing out here. Because once a phone has been pre-owned, when it has been pre-owned, then usually the users do not take the warranty guarantee out there. They do not offer you any guarantee. But if the phone has a condition which is refurbished or certified refurbished, this kind of condition, then definitely they have 6 months warranty out there. And in case you get any quality deformity out there, any disadvantage or anything out there, then you get to have a 7-day exchange policy also. Yes, 7-day exchange policy is also possible out there, so you can definitely check this out. In this, you get to exchange your product, you get to exchange or replace or get money back guarantee with terms and conditions. So these are few things which are involved in it. Now, talking about this kind of variance, this kind of advantages, do every site offer this? Do every site give you a pocketable rate? Do every site offers you 6 months warranty or exchange policy and give you savings? So for that, I have got a site, yes, which has been trusted by lots of users and are offering great pricing. So this is the site out here. Yes, you will get to see the site name is phonezone.ae, which we are already discussing out here. Yes, the site name is phonezone.ae. We have already discussed about the gadgets out there. आज हमने iPhones के बारे में बात की. We have talked about iPhones out there. We are talking about iPhone model, Apple series out there. So this site offers you not just one brand, but n number of brands also. As you can see, this category, all mobile phones, offers you n number of brands, which shows not just Apple, Samsung, Nokia, Sony, every kind of brand out here. Apart from that, we were talking about 6 months warranty period. We were talking about 7 exchange policy. We were talking about everything. So this site definitely offers you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy. Apart from that, yes, apart from that, this site offers you COD and free shipping too. So these are the few advantages of this site out here. So you can definitely check them out. And apart from that, if we talk about the series, we were talking about the Apple series, iPhone series, they are available here at a very reasonable rates. Best market price, we can say they are very good pricing out here. So definitely you can check that out. And in addition to that, a note to this video or note to your iPhone, if you are thinking to have it, then let me remind you that this uh, iPhone which you are looking at right now, the iPhone you are talking about today, does not come with Face ID. Yes, for UAE users, Face ID is not available in the iPhone. So do check out the description box which we are showing in every video so that you know what all features it has. So before ordering, you can also verify or check out the description box on the site, or you can call on our helpline number to know more. This is what I would like to inform you out. Till then, take care. अगर कोई और confusion हो आप हमें बता सकते हैं comment section में लिख के. Till then, take care.